This is the benefit of having a membership on the Nike. And as you can see, it says here on the Nike app, save big in the store today. Get 20% off entire purchase just for shopping with us in the store. Plus, Nike member like you get an extra 20%. So run to your Nike factory or run to your Nike outlet store to get a additional like 40% discounts. Run! Yes, and don't want to waste more time to go to the Nike factory store. Since we have a lot of discount, we're getting like 20 and then additional 20, so that is like 40% discount. So check this out, on the clearance additional 60%. So on top of this 60%, there's gonna be another 20 and another 20. So look at that price already, not bad for this clearance. And look at this Bulls jersey number 24, and what's the name? Yes, number 24 Bulls, and check out the price, $49.97, and then additional 20, additional 20, so it's like 40%. And then what you think? All right, let's move on to the shoes. Some good ones here, and 36 Vapor Maxes, $119.99 with the additional 40%. So not bad for those if you want to have them for the collection. So not bad for the price for the Vapor Maxes, $79.97 for the Air Max 720. The colorway is kind of iffy, those kind of green, so I might gonna pass for the collection, but the price not bad though. All right, we're in the Jordan aisle, so we got the same $59.97 with the additional 40%, and this React Jordan, but look at this one, $79.97 for this. Ooh, I might gonna have something on this one, probably one or two, I don't know. Let's check them out. But this is the best one that we could find, $139.99 for the Jordan 1. And I don't know what's going on with Jordan lovers, why they are not getting this one, but now I'm getting this one for below retail and then additional 40%, so it's like $18, $88, $90 plus tax. And how about the Jordan Mars shutter backboard colorway? $99.99, the additional 40. But about the Nike Zero 99, do you want them? Well, another good find here, but it's in retail, $225 for the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. So I already got this one for the collection, still having dead stock, but I'm still waiting for them to undead stock. What do you think on this one? The price alone, not bad for the collection, but for resale, not for now, even though they have it 40% still, not, it's kind of high for resale though. All right, how about we go for running shoes, $79.97 for this Jordan Nike Zoom Fly 3, $79.99 plus the additional 30%. I'm tempted to get me one of these, but I might gonna get me one for the collection because I need another one for running shoes. How about this one, $39.99 for the Odyssey X Shield. So I don't have shoes for some kind of wet weather, so this might gonna be one that I'm gonna get because $39.99, so might probably came down to $25. I'll take one of this. I'll take one for the collection. Alright, the Nike React Flyknit 2. So we got $74.97 for this colorway, Be True colorway, and another one. This one is a different color, but the price $79.99. Pass on this one. Pass. Don't like the color though. Well, this one kinda looking good for the black, but the pink came in. Nope. Pass. Alright. Now we are talking $79.99. These colorways of Pegasus Turbo 2. I already got me Pegasus Turbo 1, and I really like the one that I have, and probably I'm gonna get me another good shoes like this one because the one that I have is really good. Alright, let's check out the women's section. Look at the price, $29.97, the additional 40. No, but hey, take a look at this one. Air Force One React from Youth and GS 7Y, $59.97, not bad for the price. Okay, look at this one, another cheap ones, but how about Kyrie? $109.99 with the additional 40%. Well, cup or not? Well, same price on the clearance wall. We got 20 additional percent the entire purchase. We got the Air Max 98 colorway. It's like a bumblebee colorway, I would say. Not sure, but the price $99, kind of iffy. But I might gonna take one of this because already had some experience on this one. Good ones though. Okay, moving on with the Air Money. And price, no, not today. Air Money, not for my money. Okay, okay, Element 55. Well, might gonna cap this one because I already had the good ones reselling this one before, but the market now is kind of deep down, but still a good sneakers to resell. All right, still on the clearance wall, we got the LeBron 10 Icon QS colorway. This is the mostly black with some kind of gum bottom, but this one is kind of a smaller size, so I might gonna pass because smaller size is not really reselling well. Okay, clothing, $14.99. Check this out. Jersey with the colorway Air Jordan 23 with the red, white, and black and red. Alright, this is what we got. Check them out, pay them now. Let's go. Alright, we are home, and these are what we picked up on the Nike factory store. Since the discount, it is really good, so I don't want to pass on it. And some of them are really good for personal and for resale. There we go, you can see right there. Some are personal. Look at that one. Okay, so let's check out this one first. So this one is the Zoomfly 3 Premium Hawk 1 or Hawk Cone. The retail on this one is $160, and this is really nice for running shoes. So that's what I thought, that I'm gonna get me one of this for personal, because this is the 10.5. We got the Nike Zoom Pegasus, mostly Nike Zoom Pegasus. These ones are different colorways. So like this one, that one is the Neptune Green Black, and this one is the Hyper Violet Pure Platinum, and the other one is Black White University Blue. Most of them are reselling very well also, on price range of $119. Free shipping. Some of them are not free shipping, but most of them are reselling well on the third market, eBay, also on Goat and StockX. $119, somewhere around there. And the good thing that I did on this one is another method for you, because there's a limit of buying something like this because of the discount, so they won't let you buy that a lot. And as you can see, I didn't buy that a lot because there's a limit on buying, depending on the store. So I had it 2 separate transactions. That's why I got 2, so 1 per customer. So most of the research that I did, most of the sizes that really selling well are bigger sizes, like 12 to 13. Like this one, I pick up size 12, and this part is size 12 also, and this one is 12 and 12.5. So most of the reselling very well as this bigger sizes, and also smaller sizes like 8.5, 8, and not much on the 9, but mostly 8 and 8.5. Bigger sizes 12, 12.5, and 13. So I went on this one for bigger sizes. So Bought this one for $79.97 with the additional 40%, probably somewhere 55, I think, but reselling them for $119 plus shipping. All right, next one. I only picked this up, the Jordan Pro React Z, because of the price error. If you've seen the video, this one is supposed to be $79.97 the rate on the store, but this one stickered $59.97. That's why this is the only one I bought, because if I'm get them for resale for $79 and then additional 40, still not making that a lot of return. So because this is a price mistake, they have to honor this one. It's already on the sticker, just need to be notified the cashier that the price is $59.97, but because the price ring up is $79, so they have to honor this one. All right, so have to sit on this one. I'm gonna take at least $125 on this one, because it is a Jordan, it's still gonna sold out. All right, moving on. Like what I said, I might gonna get me one of this for personal and for resale. So I got this Odyssey X Shield, since I don't have one, something to wear in a rainy day or wet weather, because this one's really good for running on the wet surface, as you can see on the midsole, outsole. And I already had me some kind of React and I really like them, and since this one is somewhere around $25, why not? Because the retail and this one is $130, and getting them for that price, nah, not bad, huh? Not bad. So I'm gonna resell the other one for at least somewhere around 69, at least doubling my money, more than double my money. All right, so check that out. It's some kind of animal instinct. Look at a zebra or something. I don't know what's going on, but I got them for $49.97 with the additional 20 and 20, so somewhere around 31 ish. But I saw one thing also on the Instagram, that this one particular kind, they are also selling in the Foot Action, Foot Locker, or Jimmy Jazz, somewhere 39. So it's still good price, because I bought them for 31, but the other store are like the Foot Action, Foot Locker are selling them for 39. Still making a good one, especially this is a size 7 youth. It might gonna take a while, also 6 to year investment, but Kyrie sold some of them before they will sell out. All right, moving on with the Air Max 270 React. Boom. Okay, thank you for the plug on the Nike factory store. So this one is not out on the display, so they had it marked down on that day. So this one is $69.97 with the additional 40. Nice colorway on this Air Max 270 React. I already sold some of this before, and especially this one is triple black, so good one for resale. I'm gonna sit this one for a while, but the price alone, you can't go wrong on that one. And before we go on that one, let's talk about this one. We got some jersey Jordan, and as you can see right there on the back is Jordan 23. And how much what bought this one? The tag says $29.99, but if you look into the blog, it is $14.99, and then additional 20. So I like this one better. Look at that color. I know it's not stitched, it's printed, but the mere fact that you can get them for a very cheaper, like after the discount is somewhere 11 ish or 12, and the color on the back is like university blue or something. So since we had two separate transactions, we got one each per transaction. Last but not the least, there we go. We got the Jordan 1 Satin high OG right there, size 12. There's something going on with this one that not all Jordan 1 lovers don't like it, because of the satin right here and also the satin right here on the toe box. They said because of the satin they don't like the satin and the toe box. Hey, if you look back on those some kind of other satin like the shutter backboard satin, another one, lot of satin, and they are just the same. The only thing they don't like it because of the black ones. But I might gonna do some custom here that to make it the band Air Jordan 185. So I might gonna do that because that one is really good for the collection, and that's why this one is size 12. I got the size 10 for the collection, 10 and a half, by the way, 10 and a half for the collection. That's why I got this one, and I'm gonna make custom for that one. It's just very simple. Just paint this one for red ones, put some acetone before you paint it. It's pretty much easy, and it might gonna custom a little bit X right here. What do you think? I'm gonna do a blog on that one probably. So the good thing also is getting this some type of Jordan 1, getting them below retail, so somewhere around 80, 88, $90. Still not bad for Jordan 1 black satin. And not sure if I could paint this top, but I think probably not, because this some kind of clothing or satin, I'm not sure. But the leather, I could paint the leather. But anyway, investment wise, still gonna wait out. Jordan's still gonna go up the price, just gonna wait. It will sell out eventually, because getting them for below retail 80, 90 on that price range, still good investment. So what do you think? Alright, that would be all on this video. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something new and you like the method that I did, and especially those running shoes, and especially on the Jordan 1s for the collection and for resale. And that being said, Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat ko kayo. Bye-bye.